One of the reasons I want to support you in becoming a best-selling author, whether that's in writing your entire whole book yourself or joining a multi-author book project, there's different pathways, whatever feels right for you. You can do both, you can do one, it's awesome. But one of the things I want you to experience is the moment I'm about to experience, okay? So I've got this. I got this box today. Guess what's inside? Look at that spine. This is the physical copy I'm getting for the very first time of my second book. And look how good it looks next to my first book. And in another month, I'm going to have a third one. I'm so excited. So I want this for you. I want you to feel the joy of seeing your name in print and, seeing my name on the cover and connecting with other authors, telling their stories and being vulnerable, is really actually transformational. And that's the huge extra bonus is you're gonna build relationships from these books. It's so cool.